est à New York pour rencontrer les électeurs qu'on a peu entendus lors de cette longue campagne présidentielle américaine.
Hier, nous avons rencontré Miss Cracker. Miss Cracker, c'est une militante, une activiste, une drag queen de 31 ans.
C'est aussi une personne assez occupée, mais qui a quand même accepté de nous rencontrer dans son taxi quelques minutes avant son spectacle.
Pour nous parler des enjeux qui touchent sa communauté.
Voici ce que ça donne.
Quand j'étais un homme, je n'avais pas une voix. J'étais invisible. Alors, quand je suis en drag, people will listen to me. The number one issue that's being discussed for queer people in New York City is safety right now. Queer people are attacked fairly regularly. We don't feel safe.
It seems hard to believe that security is such an issue on a city like New York when you see police officers everywhere.
Yeah. What people don't understand, anyone that's not part of the queer community doesn't understand that gay people are not safe anywhere. There's no place in the world that we're safe. And New York City is one of the safest places for us to be, and we're still not safe. I don't think too much about who's going to win.
No?
I think more about making sure that everyone in the queer community is engaged, and that everyone gets out there and votes, and that everyone gets out there and talks about the issues that need to be talked about. Do I think that there's going to be a big difference for us either way if Trump or Clinton wins? No. We're still going to be in America. And America is full of 300 million Americans. That's too many. You know what I mean? That's a lot of Americans.
That's a lot of people.
I'm sure you guys don't even like when there's one American in one of your rooms.
No,
we have
come
300
on.
million Americans. We're
We like
idiots.
them.
So it doesn't matter who wins at the end of the day. It's still a country full of Americans. And most Americans are full of hate towards queer people. So I don't focus on who's going to win the election or trying to push one person to win. I do want to make sure that I'm supporting queer people voting, that I'm talking about that at my shows. Americans don't show up to vote, and so queer Americans don't show up to vote either. So I think that to push queer people to vote could make a big difference. If we show up and no one else does, hello somebody, we could finally make a difference and be heard.